Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to fix the connection problems or the network adapters where you cannot connect to the internet or be able to access the browser as of so. So here, go to any website, google.com, it would say this text for you, or at least if you're using Google Chrome. If you're using Internet Explorer, which I really doubt that, go to google.com, it would say you're not connected to a network. Now, if you scan for networks and you do not find networks, if it says no connections are available and you keep refreshing it, this is the video for you. So basically what you want to do is press start, Windows 7, this is Windows 7. For Windows 8 you press start and type in control panel. That's if you're on Windows 8, but if you're on Windows 7 you can just press control panel from here. So press on control panel, hardware and sound, device manager. You would want to go to network adapters and find your network adapter. Now you know the name of the one. If you're using a wired network, it would show as a network connection, or if you're using a wireless, it would show the name of the wireless network. So where you want to go now is to go to Network and Internet, view network status and tasks. It would be showing like this: NX, no internet. You press connect to a network, it says no connections are available. You go to change adapter settings, and this is where your problem is. Over here it would say, here I'm not using a cable connection, I'm using a wireless connection, which is the Wi-Fi link 5100 AGN, and it says not connected. Now what you want to do is right click it and press enable. Mine is already enabled, but over here you just go to, there you go. So it's these two. Just go in, okay. See, as you can see now, I have connection, you can test it. There you go. Now, so what you want to do is right click. If you're using a wired network, right click and press enable. If you're using a wireless network connection, right click that and press enable, or press on that and press enable or disable. You want to enable that, and that will be fixing your problem. So if you enjoyed this video and would like more tutorials on fixing or support in general, please leave a comment and I will be sure to make every single comment help, whatever you want to call it, for you. Thank you.